the thing.
Oh wait.
Excel recorder can hear you also, right?
Oh, it can? Yeah, same. Even mine also can hear you. So hey guys, welcome back to Pro Glitchers. I'm with Zach KGC. Did I say it correct?
Yeah.
And we are playing.
Why you say me name?
Zach, that's your name. And if you guys want to see Zach KGC's face,
Zach and this is Aiden.
wait, what did you just say?
Glitch.
Glitch.
Why are you stop running?
Guys, the game is glitching like us. We're glitchers.
Wait, just stop running for 1 second. Yeah. This is me friend. He's shorter than me, as you can see.
I didn't bother to make my avatar tall. In real life, I'm way taller than him.
You are way the shortest among all of us.
No correction.
Where did you go?
Guys, 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes left.
What?
Zach,
I never saw this. What is this?
Zach, show them the timer. Show them the timer.
Okay, 2 minutes left.
Guys, if you guys want to see Zach KGC's face, go to random vlogs. Just look at our random vlogs and Zach shot he made on Pro Glitchers. It's the second ever shot. Wait, I didn't even check if my yeah guys, so I'm also not recording with face. Both of us are not recording with face.
Why you not recording this piece, huh?
I have a reason, okay?
You have a reason?
No, I'm recording and it's very dark over here because I put a curtain around my face. So what will they be able to see?
For hashtag.
Okay guys, I don't know if we'll get teleported from here. That's the main thing.
1 minute remaining.
Okay.
Technically 110, but who cares?
110? Oh, 16. Okay guys, the timer is going down. Zach will do the countdown when it reaches 10.
Yeah, so come here. Stand on this white line.
On the white line? Okay.
Yeah, stop jumping like one monkey. As you are. Now just stare at the timer.
Yes, golden eyes, guys. The eyes of the fire. It's supposed to be tiger.
Are you going mad or something?
36 seconds, guys. 33 seconds. Are you on the same? Zach, I think we have to go to the middle. I think we need to go to the. We won't get teleported.
Oh, okay. How do you know we're going to get teleported?
That's the thing. I don't know because everyone is standing here, so even I also decided. 17,
Okay.
16, 15,
14,
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Arey, Happy New Year, you have to say. See you now. See you soon now. Wait, what?
Oh, what happening? What's happening?
It's saying see you soon now. 000 now 000. It's not teleporting.
I told you, it's because of you, Adriel. You are in this game. What? People are just disappearing.
Wait, what?
Where's everybody at home? Where's everybody at home?
Wait, what? Bro,
Not everybody, but majority of the people are glitched.
guys, it's not teleporting us. I don't know what's happening. It's glitching.
Adriel is this guy. It's because of just random person. He has 99 badges.
It's glitching.
Why not? The game is public now. What does he mean by that? Does he mean by the game is public? Where did you disappear? Oh my god, what's happening?
Oh,
A duck!
why is there a duck?
A duck is in the middle of the forest!
Oh, it's teleporting. Look, Zach, look at the timer. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm stuck here.
Negative 6 hours. What is happening? Zach, I fell down somewhere.
Oh,
Wait, I'm getting. The classic. I'm at the classic. Where are you? Where are you?
Wait, I'm joining a game called The Classic.
I don't know if you're in my server. Oh my god.
Brick, my thing says brick 17,250.
Yes.
That's 700.
You're in my server. You're in my server.
Wait, but if I get out of this, I cannot see.
Wait, it will automatically remove you.
Yay! Okay, where are you?
Wait, where are you? I spawned.
I'm at the duck. I'm at the big duck.
Yeah, I see you. Let's go in some games.
Hi. Yeah, which game?
Let's go in this one, this pink one. Dress to impress. You want to go in this one? Let's start from that side actually. That's a girls game. We'll go to that. You can't see me?
Where are you?
Here, I'm here. Turn around.
Let me see.
Okay.
Which game?
We'll start with that cyan one over there.
Adopt me.
No, not adopt me. What is this? Bee Swarm Simulator. This is a good. Oh my! I got teleported. Zach, the teleporting animation is the same as the hunt.
Okay, come back to the classic. We're not playing that game.
Bro, trust me, it's a good game.
I do not know how to play that game.
So I will help you. Any which ways we have to play every single game. Oh wait, it's easy. I'm getting some messages.
Classic.
Actually, you know what? I'm coming back to the classic.
No.
I left.
I hate you.
Oh wait, you don't leave. I'll join you.
Perfecto.
I don't know how to do the badge, but
You think I do?
we'll figure out. Yeah, guys, we're so pro. We're pros.
Who's going to teach us?
I don't.
Because it's not loading.
Wait, it will load. Give it some time. You left?
Yeah.
Oh god. Join the classic. We'll do something simple like adopt me.
Yeah. Just a second.
Internet connection.
Yeah. Just a second. I'm just connecting to it. But I'm never going to face wheel. That is one thing for sure.
You're never going to what?
Face reveal.
Your face has already been revealed. How many times do I have to tell you that? I don't know.
It's being recorded.
What? What?
Wait, I'm joining.
Oh wait, guys, I just realized this. That when you get more like badges,
What is wrong with my camera? Oh, nothing. Okay.
there's nothing.
Where are you? I'm at the duck.
Wait, Zach, check out the items. Look, they're only 4, but they're proper. Look, see this one, then this one.
Looks cool.
There's 2 more over here. This is proper for J.
Oh, this looks good actually.
I like this one. Look at this ancient writing. Look at this one.
Yeah. How many badges? You needed 6 badges for that.
We're gonna try to get all 15, but not in this video only. So should we go? Which game should we go for?
Oh, what for now?
Want to go for Restaurant Tycoon?
No.
Zach,
Yeah.
you have to
Yeah.
find ticks.
What?
Ticks.
Okay, come, let's go.
Oh, which game did you enter?
Clip it.
I don't even know which game you entered.
It's clip it. It's right next to Restaurant Tycoon and Adopt Me.
I know. Clip it.
Yeah.
You know how to get the badge?
You said find some rubbish sticks, so I'll just find them.
I don't know where they are. That's the problem. Actually, nobody knows.
But by ourselves.
Yeah, because we are pro. Why is my
Screen not turning?
You have to watch TikToks.
Huh?
That's the game.
Oh, joined. Are you in the game? Why can't I not move?
Zach, amazing game.
Can you move?
I moved.
I can't move. I'm stuck.
Press the create button. Press the plus button down. Then you can move.
Okay.
Now here's the thing.
What is this thing? Wait, a TikTok has come. What do I do?
Press the plus button down and press create.
My phone has gone into standing mode.
Yeah, standing.
Now
Yeah, you have to play on standing mode.
what rubbish?
What rubbish? I'm not.
Please move. Where are you?
I'm coming down. I see you. Jump down. Here I am. I see one tick. Follow me.
It's hard to play on this. Wait.
It's hard. Follow me. I'm here.
Oh, how do people play like this?
I have no idea, but
Where's the tick? Please show me where's the tick.
I think we have to go up. The problem is I don't know how to go up. I've never played this game. No, we have to do.
How do you move?
I'm not used to this, but at the same time, I'm actually good at playing like this.
Well, unless you're dumb. There are stairs over here at the side.
Over there are stairs. Where do the stairs lead to? Here, Zach, follow me.
Wait, where are you?
I'm
I
here.
don't know where I am.
Here.
Mountain.
Go up the stairs. Oh God, this video is turning into a mess already because of this standing screen. Here. I think here. Zach, are you? Be careful, don't fall down.
Oh, wait, I'm coming back on top. Where are you?
Where I can see the tick. Oh wait, follow me. It's here. There's a ladder. You have to climb the ladder. Here. You have to climb the ladder, then you get the tick.
How do you climb?
Bro, how do you? What is that?
I don't see any ticks. What ticks do you see?
Here.
Where?
You can't see it?
No, I can't.
Bro, for me, like there's a huge tick over here.
What is this blue stand?
On top of it, there's supposed to be a tick. For me, I can still.
It says badges ticks awarded.
You got it?
Yeah. Now come. Oh, what is this green thing?
It's a teleporter. Just teleports you to the other side of the map.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, we did it. Better question, where's the other ticks? Okay, how many? I've got 1 out of 10. Just press the tick button on top and see how many ticks.
It's a chair. Did you see him? He was a chair.
Wait, what? Oh my! Wait, what?
He's a chair.
I think that's his TikTok video.
Oh. Wait, is this the entirety of the game? You just have to become objects. I'm also going to record. Hey guys, I'm recording TikTok over here. I'm recording by the way. Yeah.
Aren't you going to find the ticks?
That's also my aim.
How many ticks have you collected? You have not told me yet.
1.
It says on the top.
Nope, it does not say.
Then how you know you collected?
Because that thing game ticks awarded, so
Oh, it came that.
you know what I know. It'll come, let's climb up this.
Zach, that's the teleporter.
I'd say up the ladder. Okay,
It's hard to climb. Zach, should we play some? Did we?
Did we get this thing?
Yeah, we got it. We just got it, in fact.
Then do we come back after?
Oh, Zach,
Can't collect.
I found out how we. This is.
I can't see any more ticks.
Huh?
I can't see any more ticks anywhere.
That's the thing I've been trying to tell you. We have to find John Doe, Jane Doe, and all.
Who is Jane Doe? I know who they are, but where are they?
I just said we have to find them.
Monica. Maria's happiness. Everybody look to the left.
Everybody look to the right. Who's Telemon?
Oh, I fell.
Who's Telemon? That's my. I mean, I know he's a Roblox hacker, but why?
Okay.
They could have put Jenna in the game.
Wait, Idol, I'm pretty slow, so can you please wait?
I'm trying to help us both by finding these stupid characters, but I can't find them. Zach,
I
Zach, wait, where are you? Oh my,
found the thing.
where?
Oh my god, Idol, come here, come where I am.
Bro, I'm in first person. Where are you? You found a tick?
Come here. There's a teleporter.
That only I'm trying to tell you. It was inside. It was.
Oh my god, a tick.
Where are we?
I don't know, but I got a tick.
Yes, even I. We got 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10.
Oh, there's a teleporter over there. Let's get out of here.
First, let's find out where does the teleporter take us to. Okay, we don't need to find that out.
I'm stuck. I can't jump. Oh, I jumped.
Where are you?
Where? Find ticks.
I don't know where are the other ones. Also,
Let's
guys,
go jump. Fully needed.
by the way, I found out that there's another teleporter on top of that building, so we can go and get that one first. The trampoline does not work.
Doesn't even work.
Let's go. Follow me here. Follow me. You know you have to stop recording at some point. Not X recorder. I'm talking about your TikTok video.
It stopped automatically.
Oh, it stopped automatically. For me, it's still saying that you're recording. Here, there's a teleporter on top of the building.
Idol, I need a little help. I can't come on top of this building.
Bro, climb the stairs. What do you mean?
Bro, the stairs are so hard to climb.
How?
Idol, I'm not playing in my normal field. I'm playing in this straight setting. Completely.
Just say portrait, bro.
I'm picking up and teleport at the same time. I don't know if I can't do that.
You can't do that. Okay, come up here. Finally, please don't fall. Okay, where did this teleport us to? No!
I'm here. I hate this place.
I hate it too. Where else could it be? That's the... What?
Let's on this bridge.
Will it be on this bridge? No.
I don't know. What? There has to be something. Can you jump onto her?
I'm trying that only. Wait, Well, I almost made it. I think you need a tall avatar.
No, you need a friend to stack on top of.
Yes, I'm not doing that. Let's go down.
Adel, I found a cake.
Where?
Follow me. I see it.
Are you sure you see it? Then why did you fall?
It's here.
Where?
Come here.
Where are you taking me?
Taking you to the thing.
Don't. Where is? I can't.
Here, this is such a small map, yet we can't find 10 simple things.
Seriously, neither can we find the characters.
You need to find characters suddenly.
Bro, how else do you... You know there are 5 badges in each game.
Oh god.
Yeah, I'm saying the same thing. Where is it? Is this a... What? There's stairs here.
Yeah, the text is a photo thing.
There's nothing. What happened?
The recording of me. Wait, how do I get out of this recording?
This is why I told you not to record.
I'm just publishing it.
Yeah, please do. Should we...
Why can't I publish? Okay, yeah, I'm back to normal. Come.
It's not up there, I checked.
Okay, thank you, it's here. Oh, come on. It's here, it's here. You have to go to this and you have to ask for help. See, it says get help this sign there.
Zach, this is the...
It says get help.
So,
And that's what
you know, I think it might be down here.
Google or on YouTube, they'll know the answers.
Just jump down. I'm not sure.
Should I? I jumped down.
Oh, okay. I can't see.
Let's come up. Money can buy us happiness.
Should we just try adopt me?
That will be worse, Adel.
I feel like this is...
Huge map. It's huge map.
Zach, wait, Zach, I found something. Come here. Just come here. And literally look in this direction. There's another place over there. Look. Can you see it?
Where are you looking?
There. Outside over here.
Outside.
Look outside the map.
I can't see any place, Adel.
I can see a huge castle over there.
Are you going crazy?
Bro, it's clearly... Turn your camera thoda only outside. Yeah, now who's going crazy?
You still.
I hate you.
How do you get there? There must be a secret teleporter.
But where? I'm just going in the mountains and check. You know, let's just try another game, please. I'm too tired of playing on portrait.
Actually, wait, don't leave, Adel. Don't leave.
Why?
Follow me.
Why do I feel like you're going to lead me into disaster? You're going...
Follow me.
I'm
Where
following.
are you?
Yeah, I'm here.
You see this thing?
Oh yeah, let's just teleport.
Adel, can you move?
I failed to teleport.
Am I just unable to? Okay, I'm leaving the game.
Yeah, as I said before.
Okay, next game.
Just join the hub, okay?
Explore the classic hub. You join, I'll join.
I'm...
You join, I'll join you.
Now, I don't know if we got a badge, okay? Yeah, no, we got 2 ticks.
Yes. Finally, normal mode of Roblox.
Zach, we got 2...
We have to look at the full place of this map.
And there are quests.
Where are you?
I'm next to the big rubber ducky.
I'm on the down.
I'm right behind front of you. Should we just... Let's go try some...
Your number says 282.
Yeah, even yours also says 2.
Oh, probably because we collected.
Yeah.
Okay, let's explore the place.
Wait, I'll tell you which game we'll go to. You chose one game, now I'm choosing another one. Is Piggy in here?
Okay. The real game.
Is Piggy in here?
No.
I'm joking, I'm not choosing Piggy. No, this is the last game I'm going for. Should we go for... But the thing is that about Blade Ball, you're on a different level. We'll get teleported to different areas.
Why?
Let's try something simple.
Adopt me, anything, come follow me.
Where's Adopt Me? Let's go for Adopt Me.
Fine.
Here it is. Go inside. Now I don't know. Everybody look to the... Zach, I'm not kidding. My recording says that we have been recording for 24 minutes.
Really? Mine says 24 minutes.
Same. Probably because of that clip it.
Yeah.
I'm
Let's unlock or play.
Bro, play. What do you want to
I'm pressing unlock.
You'll need to use Robux. Okay,
Oh, I need 800. What a coincidence! I have 800 Robux.
no, you don't.
Pick your favorite color. My favorite color is orange.
Zach, where are you? I'm coming to pick you up in my car. Yes,
Sir.
where are you?
Wait, I'm dressing up, Adrian.
Where are you in my server?
What?
Are you in my, you're not in my server. Wait, I'll join you.
Join me.
I'll join you, wait. This video has turned into a mess.
But I crafted my own house and I can't get out.
I'm starting a new recording, so I'll either edit it or I'll just make it part 2. Should I? No, I'm not going to do it.
I'm going to.
Okay, even I'll also do it then.
Back to this video. Thank you for watching this video.
Zach?
Now I'm gonna close the video and I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video. Bye.
Same here.